Hello again, this is Jeff coming to you from Waygate Technologies. Today we're going to see how a simple strategy can help you deal with an orange warning message that comes up during a measurement under less than ideal conditions. Okay, let's go. You can see here, this is a simple point-to-line measurement. Under less than ideal conditions, I'm at 1.57 inches away with a black tip. Not to be preferred, but I'm okay. I'm measuring 95 thousandths. But what if I've decided I need to move this cursor over a little bit to the left? So I've done that, and up pops an orange warning. Move closer to target or move cursors for better results. You'll notice I haven't moved any closer. My indication is just 1/1000th smaller, but the machine algorithm has decided for this distance and at this size and indication, it would really like me to move closer. Well, great. What should I do? Obviously, I should move closer, but what if I can't? What if this is the best I can do? Well, what I can do is put on a measurement aid that we call the measurement plane. To do that, press Add Measurement, choose Measurement Plane, place these three triangular cursors near where you're measuring. This green mask here is all on the same plane, and this will force all your cursors onto this plane. But what it does do, in addition, is it decreases the system's sensitivity to noise caused by distance, which enables us to measure smaller objects at the same distance. And look what's happened. Now I'm measuring 46 thousandths without an orange warning message, where before 94 thousandths triggered my orange message. So this is a way that you can decrease that trigger if you just can't get any closer. Be sure to watch our general video, which explains the many other uses for the measurement plane. That can be found on this same playlist. Thanks for watching, and thanks for using our MVIQ video borescope.